What's up guys, it's Wubny here, and in today's video I'm going to be restoring a Guitar Hero guitar. Now I picked this up from a big bulk buy, and it came with two of them. One right here, and then this one right here. And this one actually works, right? There's batteries in it. If I press the buttons up here, it was just now it was blinking a second ago, but it works, right? There's no issues. Something's inside of it. Something broke, something, I don't know what it is. I've never taken apart a Guitar Hero guitar. And it's probably going to be one of the more simple restorations because I'm just going to see what's shaking inside. I'm not going to mess with the board. I'm not going to mess with any of that. I just want to see what's shaking inside. So let's go ahead and get into it. So like I said, I don't know if there's anything inside of it, but the first step to find out is taking it apart, and there's a lot of screws. There seems to be a lot of screws, so let me find a Phillips head bit that fits. Let me try to go a little bigger. One more size up and it should be good. Yep, that one's good. So we're gonna put this to the side and we're gonna start unscrewing. Alright guys, so we got most of the screws out. A few of these screws did not want to come out, and now that I'm thinking about it, I don't believe I have to take apart the whole thing. I think I just have to take apart the bottom part. So there's this triangle, like, let me see if I have a big enough screwdriver bit in here that's that shape. Yeah, so this has to come off. I feel it. This has to come off. I don't have anything that is the shape of a triangle. Maybe a prong to a power cord. I guess that worked. So there we go. Let's take this out. There is tension right here, and I don't know why. Oh, there is some screws here. I'm just blind. There is 4 screws. There's literally a finger pointing at them. There's 4 screws right here. Let's go ahead and take those out. Alright, that's the last screw. These are the same screws, so it doesn't matter if they get mixed up. Always check that when you're taking apart anything. Now, see what was in here rattling. It looks like a broken piece of plastic that had a screw to it, so I don't know what this went to, but this is what was rattling. Because now, if we put it, there's still slight rattling. There we go. This found the root of our issues. Broken plastic. 9 times out of 10, that's what rattles inside of freaking consoles and video games. What does this go to? I don't know what this went to, but it looks like it's just a piece of plastic that broke off, probably from somebody putting it down too hard, possibly slamming it. Oh, the other one went up here. I guess we might as well just put it back in there. Personally, I don't like it, but some people might want these on their guitars. So, but no more shaking. We're gonna go ahead and we can screw this back together real quick. This might have been what the thing was going to actually, was maybe the screw right here, but same as before, buttons all work still. No issues at all. Let's take the little handle, which I think it's kind of cool how this works, how it's kind of just a motherboard and an insert. It's pretty cool to me, but boom. Back in, you guys heard the spring snap, and the guitar is now ready to sell. I also have both dongles for both guitars, so that's probably at least $60 right there minimum. But anyways guys, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching and keep flipping.
They all trying to be around, now I'm winning. I make it hits, but I'm still independent. Lil homie, I've been low-key chillin'. Tell your mom when I'm back, I'll be in it. I got a baddie in the West End, brought a best friend, got a bag on my left wrist. Fucking next bitch, had to go. Pull up in a new wig, got him this on my new shit, I'ma have to move on the low. Yeah, I know that they be fucking with the flow.